In this problem, we're going to learn about equivalent rates and unit rates. So if we have a problem like this that says type the missing number to complete the proportion. Our proportion is is really the same as a fraction. So don't get worried about seeing a big word like this. Proportion is just a fraction. And a fraction is really just a rate, right? Something over another number. So if we have this, it says 5 minutes for one song equals blank for two songs. So the first step is to use equivalent fractions to complete a proportion. So write 5 minutes for one song as a fraction. So that looks like this. So we have 5 over 1, and then what we have to do is we multiply, we write an equivalent fraction with 2 in the denominator. So what we have to do is multiply this 5 over 1 times 2 over 2. And we know that 2 over 2 is basically equal to 1. So we're not really changing this fraction at all. We're changing it into an equivalent fraction, which is 10 over 2, because 5 times 2 is 10, 2 times 1 is 2. And that's the end of this lesson. So the equivalent fraction is 10 over 2, and it's 10 minutes for two songs. So we could write 10 in at the end.